Hello everybody, on the end of this beautiful, beautiful day in February. We had 2 weeks of extreme bitter cold. We got about 6 inches of snow, which of course, turned into ice, and it's been miserable. But this week, Kansas is doing her thing, letting us have a few good days. So I put together the run finally, and I just finished getting the netting done. I am not putting anybody in here yet. You can kind of see the netting. I am trying a different type. It's from TSC. It is just bird netting, but there was enough that I was able to double layer it. So we'll see. Probably going to go ahead and order another round of this type of netting. The bird netting is nice because it's much smaller holes. Like so have it on hand maybe. Venus has been quite entertained by all my shenanigans. But I used one of these panels to actually do a little change to the lavender run. So let me walk over here. Don't mind the messy golf cart. I bring every tool that I think I might need when I come out. Ignore the chicken wire. So I put one of the 10-footers here. Let me zoom out. And I took the 5-footer and put it here. Moved the 5-foot gate there, so now this is a actual rectangle. So I like it a lot. It's much easier, much nicer, looks cleaner. Yes, everything is a mess because it has been nasty. Bronzy, get back. No, you can't go out. Got Bronzy. We got 2 Narragansett. We got Lyra. We got another Narragansett. We got Henrietta, Lilith in the far back. We got Strut and Atlas. Atlas, Strut. Come on. So unfortunately, during that cold, I had to grab everybody and basically force them into the hut for the overnight. And unfortunately, during catching, I had accidentally had to pull feathers. As you're trying to grasp a turkey in negative 25-degree wind chill weather with already snow on the ground, and super fun. So unfortunately, that's what his tail's gonna look like, and it is sad. Hi, Lyra. Oh goodness, Bronzy. Oh my. Got your tail. Anyway, this is a mess because I had to put stuff down during the snow and everything. I did add chicken wire up here along the top to keep them from roosting up here, and with the exception of the very first night, it has been successful. They've been roosting on here, obviously. So things are just a little bit of a mess because of the weather issues. But I'm very happy with my new run. I would ideally love to put a gate here. And I have a walk-through gate here. I would love to have a walk-through gate here, but it would be different. It'd be weird because of the angle of that run, meeting that run. Hopefully you can see with the sun. But that's just food for thought. I have this gate here, which I can just, slip under. It's fine. Oh my goodness, girly. You act like I don't show you any attention. So anyway, birds. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah? Lyra, always talking. You look so handsome. His name is Alex. If I didn't mention that. Bronzy. The camera shaking is caused by a turkey grabbing my arm, my hoodie. Ah, hey, don't be so rude.